Hi everyone! Guess what we're doing today?
Taking a walk.
No, we're reconnecting with nature. It's March 18th, and if you know anything about upstate New York, maybe you do, maybe you know, it's a cold, dark, dreary winter from like November until literally March. Like I said, we've been inside for way too long. It's literally been like 5 months. We've been like sitting around, like twiddling our thumbs, waiting for the sunshine to come back out. And guess what? It's sunny outside. So basically, with that in mind, we're using today to reconnect with nature.
Like, drink water. Can you tell I'm like falling out of a cave right now?
Yeah, we're slowly defrosting.
And then like she looks like this, and then I'm over here just like.
Look at how good the sun looks on our skin.
It looks so dank. Hey, can you see right now?
Yeah.
I can't. I see my greasy ass forehead, and that's it.
Oh my god, it's so muddy. Oh my gosh. Who are they? Guys, come here quick. Hurry.
Let me get it. Look at that. That's like,
This is nature.
aww.
Tell me why they were just fighting. We actually just missed it. They were full on fighting. You're kidding. Guys, knock it off. Okay, but literally look how blue the water is. Like, oh my god, there's little steps. But this is
Now let's go down that path.
what path?
The path that no one takes.
What are you talking about?
I'm gonna take it.
So I just don't think that's a path. This is where we just came from. Look at that. We were in the woods. But look at that. Wait, look at that house up there. Do you see that house up there? What?
That's a restaurant.
Okay, see, that's where I want to live. Overlooking somewhere like this. Look at us reconnecting with nature. How are you feeling today?
I want Starbucks.
Oh. Guys, I'm jumping in. What are we doing?
I'll make a fairy house.
Guys, look at where we're walking. We have fully just walked up this big hill, and we're still going. So we are currently walking to the second lake here in the state park. No one really knows about this lake. That's why I really like it, because like taking walks around it are a lot more calming, because on a crowded day you're not like passing by people and you can like walk with no one in front of you or behind you. So try to reconnect with nature for 1 hour and she already needs Starbucks.
Consumerism. Or whatever it's called.
Okay everyone, so it is officially the end of our time reconnecting with nature, but we're not done. We're ending it off on a surprise.
A venti strawberry acai.
With lemonade?
Yes, please. Can I get less ice?
Okay.
And then all.
Anything else? Okay, you got it. 621. Let's see it.
Literally, look at my drink. Anyway, so that was all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed us, you know, reconnecting with nature after those very long 4 months of literally rotting inside. But yeah, so I am so excited. Spring is finally here. Bye guys!